Okay, we are on lesson 6.9, Green Butterflies. Model, read, and write numbers from 100 to 110. The essential question is, how can you model, read, and write numbers from 100 to 110? It says, use red, blue, yellow, purple, and brown. Circle a number to answer the question. So, red, blue, and I don't have yellow, so I'm going to use a light green. Red, blue, pretend yellow, purple, and brown to answer the question. So let's take red first. And we're going to look on the hundreds chart. What number is the same as 30 ones? 30 ones. Well, that would be just plain 30. So let's take red and circle 30. Or you can color it. Either way. I really don't care which you do. All right. What number is the same as 10 tens? Let's find blue. 10 tens. Would it just be 10? No, that's just one set of 10. That's just 10 ones. 10 tens. Well, let's find our tens. Let's count by tens 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'll be the whole thing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 tens is 100. We'll color or circle that in blue. What number is the same as 8 tens, 7 ones? 8 tens, 7 ones. 8 tens, 7 ones. 8, 7. Let's use yellow. I'm using imaginary yellow that's actually green. 8 tens, 7 ones. I'm going to look for my column that has 8 tens. There we go. 8 tens, now 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 tens, 7 ones. There's my pretend yellow. And let's see. What number has one more than 42? No, one more than 52. What number has one more than 52? Well, that would just be one more. Let's see, if I was counting by ones, 52, 50, 51, 52, 53. Another way to do that rather than counting would be to find 52 and then just go over one more. And you land on 53. We'll color that purple. What number has one more 10 than 65? We'll use our brown for that. One more 10. Now that's not just one more, that's one more 10. Let's find 65. 65. Now, when we want to move down a 10, when we're counting by tens, we just slide down a line, don't we? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. There's 65, so let's just slide down a 10. 65. What'd we land on? 75. Now, one way to show that to you really fast would be, it's first going to involve me snapping my cubes together to make, let's see. You know what? Let's do it this way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 65. And if I got one more 10, I'd have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. Either way, whether we slide down or whether we use models, the answer is 75. All right, go ahead and turn the page. And let's see what they want us to do here. Model and draw. 10 tens and one more. Now be careful. It says 10 tens and one more. It doesn't say 10 tens and one more 10. So be really careful as you read on this. All right? 10 tens and one more 10 is 101. Let me use my normal marker so it doesn't get so fuzzy. 101. One set of 100, 0 tens, well, 0 more tens besides the 100 that we've already made, and 1. Now here, 10 tens and 10 more. So they had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. 110. Remember, 10 tens equals what? 100. Use place value models to model the number. Write the number. 10 tens and one more. So we could use place value models. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 tens, and one more. It doesn't say one more 10. It just says one more. So we'll use just a single one. And let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then 1, 10 tens, 1, 101. 10 tens and two more. Well, we've already got one more. Now two more. If that was 101, this is going to be 10 tens and 2. 102. 10 tens and 3. 10 tens and 3. Let's draw it. Write it, I mean. 10 tens, 3 ones. 103. Oh goodness, I'm seeing a pattern. Are you seeing a pattern? 10 tens and 4 ones. 104. Keep following the pattern to finish the page. Over here, you're going to count and you're going to write the number. Let me show you how to do just a couple of those really fast. Let's look. We can count these. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 109. Or we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens and 9. Either way, we write the number like that, 109. So, go ahead and get started. And you'll see that one apple is represented by, not surprisingly, one apple, and 10 apples is represented or are represented by a basket of 10 apples. Go ahead and get started.